Hello out there, and welcome to the typing test. Today, we're going to take a 1-minute pre-test, take a screenshot of it, rename it, and then place it into our hand-in folder. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Right over here, you're going to see a drop-down box, and if your teacher tells you to pick the 1 minute or the 3 minute, this is where you would do that. I'm just going to pick the 1 minute. Then also from the drop-down box right next to it, you can pick one of the items that you want to type. For right now, I'm just going to pick the rules of baseball. Then I just start typing. Now when I see the next screen up, I notice that the words in blue are the words that I'm going to start with. Over here where it says time left, it shows me how much time I have to type. It tells me my typing speed and how many mistyped words I have. So, without any more directions, let's begin. Here we go. If you make a mistake, it's okay. You can just hit delete and go right on back. If you notice, this word has an underline. If it's underlined, that means that you spelled it incorrectly. Oops.